Okay, so I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome OS Flex. So OS Flex is a Linux distro based on Gen 2. So obviously Google used Gen 2 because they have more control over it of what they want to do with their distro. So let's check it out. So first, let's just go to where you can download it. So it's not an ISO file. It's a tool to create your flash drive to boot their operating system, almost like Rufus and so on. Right, so just type in Google Chrome OS Flex and then Chrome os.google.product. So that first one, go there. Right, and then click on try, and then this bottom one, click here. So convoluted, just give me a link straight to the thing. Right, and then you don't want to go through this guide. You can just go to the second entry here, create the USB installer, and then you find the tool actually here in Chrome Web Store. I'll just put that link in the description, it's quicker. And then you just add your link, the utility to your browser, your Chromium browser. So I'm not sure if if Firefox got one or it works in there. Right, once it's installed, you can find it here in your extensions, Chromebook Recovery Utility. Click on it. It's actually a little program. So obviously they use this on the old Google Chromebooks laptops that they use. So if something happened, you can actually use this utility to recover your OS. But we can actually use this to install this on anything else. I'm going to use it on Proxmox, but I'm still going to use a flash drive. So let's just kill that. So you can just plug in your USB drive and then say get started, and then choose the Chrome OS that you want to install. It's obviously Flex, Google Chrome OS Flex, and the same there. Say continue. Ooh, okay. Mine is plugged in. Let's just plug it in. Right. Right. Mine is Kingston. Select it. Say continue. Whatever files are gonna be deleted. So say create now. So I'm not gonna create mine because I've done that already. So let's go over to my Proxmox. So if you're gonna install this on your hardware, just put it into your laptop or computer and boot it up. Make sure you boot it up with USB. Press F12 or F2 or whatever. So yeah, let's create a VM. Let's call it Chrome OS. Right, that's it. Then next, we don't have a ISO image, so we're not going to use a CD DVD drive. So say do not use any media. Make sure this is on Linux. Next, graphics card. You have to change the graphics card to Virtue GPU, because if it's on default, it's not gonna boot, I found. But I mean, you can test the other ones. But select that one. Everything else on default. Install the QEMU agent for optimization. Right, so the drive is just everything on default. Yes, right. Cores 2 or more. RAM 4 gig or more. Right, I'm on VMware 1, so just select your network Everything. I usually unselect the firewall, but doesn't matter. Next. And finished. Right, so it should create a Chrome. So that one. So let's see. Let's just check my other Chrome quickly. So the hard drive. This is usually where things can go wrong. Right, so it's just that. Right, so it seems fine. The boot order is fine. Oh yeah, just go to options, and then you have to set the boot order. But before we do that, we probably have to add USB. So go to hardware, add USB device. For me, only USB port works. The other ones doesn't work for me. I don't know, it doesn't want to boot. So select that, add. Then we can go to options, boot order. There it is. Select it and just drag it to the top. Yeah. So okay. So I think that is everything. So let's start it up. Can we use Spice? Let's see. Okay. Okay, so we are in. So let's see. Why is my mouse not working? Is this only keyboard based? Get started. Turn on screen reader. Get started. No. Oh, so I have to choose. Oh. The mouse not working here. It's working here. Install Chrome. Okay, it works here. So I'm just gonna use VN, no VNC. So install Chrome OS Flex, converted device into Chrome OS Flex device. You can try it first. It runs in RAM. Check it out, and then you can install it to your drive. I'm just gonna install it. I don't know if it's just super slow. Yeah, it's super slow. Install Chrome OS Flex and erase hard drive. Install, yes, please. So this is actually the first time I'm installing Chrome OS. And it's been around for so long. But yeah, I mean, I don't know. People can do this. I wouldn't. I wouldn't install Chrome OS. Why would I have Google harvest me for my data on their OS? Because it's definitely something they would do. I'm not even using Chrome browser. I'm using Brave and so on. I still use Gmail, but it's nothing in there really that they can use. Is there? Because I use it for just nonsensical stuff. Because I use Proton for my emails. Right, so this is gonna probably take a while, so we'll come back when it's done. Right, so at last, for personal use, for a child, for work. Let's click personal use, next. It's very slow though. Is it my stick? Is it what? Shouldn't be this slow. Okay, it's installing the latest updates now. Skip and remind me later. Yeah, let's skip that. Skip. 20 minutes. Skip, 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 skip. Use student account on your Chromebook. Oops, you see. Browse as guest. Right, so I'm just gonna log in. Okay, yeah, use Google account password. Next. You have to double click these next buttons. I don't know, something with Proxmox probably. I don't know. Okay, am there? Oh, I'm in. I don't know why it's so slow. Oh, I give it one processor, that's probably why. Anyway, this is Chrome OS Flex. And you can start using it as your Chrome browser. And calendar, all the Google products will be in here. Office Suite and so on. Right, got it. Got it. I don't know, I gave it enough processors, 4 processors, 4 gigs RAM of RAM, and it's still just unusable. Well, you can probably use it. Okay, there's the start menu type of thing. All that crap in there. Yeah, see, it's not working all that nicely. So I don't know what's going on. It doesn't want to go away now. So does anybody have a good experience with this? If you install it straight on your hardware, it should be better. Okay, so it is just terrible to use on Proxmox. So let's open a browser. Hello, browser. So something is definitely going on, but even if it works, why would you install this? Just install a normal Linux distro. Screw this crap. It's quite fast though. Let's open a bunch of stuff. So it does open it quickly, but it renders them terribly. So I have no idea what's happening. That's YouTube. Look at this. So yeah, that's Chrome OS Flex for you. I would not use it. Good.